Three.
One time bite. Yeah, all
together.
Nice.
Yeah, really. Egg is not spicy. Only the vinegar.
Okay, the vinegar is spicy.
Yeah. Now you can see.
So this is the embryo.
Yeah.
So it's the embryo now.
Ito si Kuya. Sure. Ito sa
Kaya si Kuya din.
Kaya kayo na.
This.
Yeah, the embryo, right?
Yeah.
What the?
You have to try the chick. It's very soft. It's the taste. You cannot explain it just by word. You can say this is
Then
the
before
best.
you bite, you put a little bit of salt.
You will say maybe this is the best type of meat I ever tried.
Ay, maganda pala itong pagkabalot nyo.
Wait, do you eat this just like this or you accompany it with rice or something?
The shells, we throw with the shells, but the white we eat that
Yeah.
one. But it is hard.
Wow. You see, you bite the chick. What is the taste? Huh?
That's the best meat that you
Yes.
It tastes like yolk.
Time. Remove all. The cover. Yeah.
Maybe don't eat the white one because it's the hard part.
So you can't eat the shell.
No.
No.
How come?
But it says shell is calcium.
Yeah.
Some people eat shell.
I don't know. Don't eat it.
Now you remove the shell. Oh, nagustuhan nyo.
Some has to left.
Or you even can soak that, then eat like that. At a time.
Okay enough. Only this one.
Hindi naman kasi talaga siya. No?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. That is very tasty. Really. Then, just wait.
Then you will be the one
Now,
who will be
one time.
who will introduce that in Kenya.
Yeah.
This food is
Cameroon.
Cameroon. Yeah, okay.
Cameroon also. You know what? When I was in Kazakhstan, we were in the same team. Ate Elsa, you know Ate Elsa?
Then put sugar.
Yeah, I know.
Vinegar.
I know Elsa.
Okay. One time. Bite. One time.
One time.
Bite. Yeah, all.
All together.
Ito, nice.
Yeah, really.
Let's zip this one and then salt. Very good. See?
What's your honest review? What is your honest review with that?
Honestly, very delicious.
What, really?
Tasty, spicy.
See, praise God.
It's actually so delicious.
Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Good taste.
Good taste. Filipino has good taste. I'll surely visit the Philippines.
Thank you.
We will be all together.
First Cameroon.
Yeah.